Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing this Natasha Denona Chromium Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the shade Infra Nude today. And I feel like this is such a good product for somebody who is just starting out with the eye makeup and you still want to do that glam look, but you're not sure how to do it yet. So this really makes it super easy for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take this eyeliner from Mally Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Espresso. And with this eye pencil, I'm going to start at the corner of my eye, and I'm going to start pulling it towards my eyebrow. And you don't have to be very precise with this. And then looking up, I'm also going to bring it out to my lower lash line, kind of bring it halfway. And I'm going to make sure that these two are connected. So when we blend it out, it's going to be nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to start kind of shading it in towards the inner corner of my eye. Kind of what you would do with a wing eyeliner, but a little bit thicker. So when I look up, kind of have this area here. So I'm going to kind of connect that with this as well. So it's really shaping my eye. And then I'm going to kind of bring it all the way to the center of my eye, so like up to here. And I'm just going to connect it very light-handedly. Also going to take this eye pencil in my waterline. Next, I'm going to take this small brush, and this is just a very flat brush. Start blending it out on the edges with this brush. Also going to do the same thing on my lower lash. Next, I'm going to pick up a little bit of this brown shade, and I'm just going to press this color on top of that brown pencil that we've just used. Next, I'm going to take this small fluffy brush, and this is a Morphe 514, and I'm going to dip this into this lighter brown shade. And now I'm going to take it just on the edges of that darker shade and just blend it out. Actually going to take an edge of one of my foundations, and I'm going to place it, and I just want to make sure I got a good angle. So just from the bottom and then to the top, and I'm going to just fill this in. Now I'm going to take another small brush shade here, and it's very, very close to my skin tone. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of it, and I'm going to run this just under my eyebrows. Next, we're going to take this Natasha Denona Chrome eyeshadow, and how pretty is this eyeshadow? It has like a duochrome, and it's really, really pretty in person. I don't know if the camera is actually even doing justice to this. This is really, really pretty. I really like it. You see how it just gives it that little shift. And I'm going to take this from the inner corner all the way out to that dark shade. So I'm taking a very, very tiny brush, and I'm just going to run it on the edges because I don't want it to look that harsh. How stunning is this color, you guys? It's so pretty. I'm going to go back in the pan and pick up that dark shade just a tiny bit, and I'm going to tap that over these two shades. Just so it blends seamlessly. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to take that just on the edges of these two shades here as well. Only because I can see a line a little bit still, and I don't want it to look that harsh. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this Chrome Luxe Highlight Cream, and this is from Pat McGrath, and this is in the shade Pale Gold. And you really, really need just the tiniest amount of it. And I'm just going to drag this gold into my crease. I'm going to take this black eye pencil, and this is from Pixie. And I'm going to take that just on my outer corner, kind of do like a tiny, tiny wing. And then I'm going to just blend it out very, very lightly. Next, I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs mascara and I'm going to apply 2 coats of it. I feel like this eye look was super, super easy. And if you're a beginner, this would be a really, really good investment for you. Especially with the holidays coming up, I think this is one swipe and go. Even if we didn't do the brown eye pencil, I think it would look nice by itself. Here's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time.